Hey guys, this is Brad Barnes of Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we're going to take a look at our weld-on disc brake brackets. Alright guys, so let's take a little closer look at these weld-on disc brake brackets. All of our weld-on disc brake brackets are made out of 3/8 steel. We have them in 4 different sizes from 2 3/4 all the way up to 3.5 inch axle tube. So the bolt pattern here on all of our weld-on disc brake brackets are designed to use the 1975 3/4 ton Chevrolet front caliper. So with 4 different sizes to choose from, no matter what you're wanting to convert from drums to disc brakes, we've got you covered. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.